How to install FCF India admin software. For this, first open FCF India Gmail account. Go to Chat. Click on New Chat, then browse Spaces and look AppSheet Admin. And click on Preview. There is a link, otherwise get the link from admin. Click on link and you can see the FCF India admin app homepage. In app there is below heading: Profile View, Attendance Summary, Holiday Calendar, FCF Contact Manager, Leave View, Download and Links, Leave History. Please go and check all the details and contact with admin team for any question or help. Thank you. How to apply for leave or half days and work from home in FCF admin app sheet. For this, first open the FCF India app. Go to home page and click on Leave History. Click on Add button. You see application form. Please fill all the details. Link. Types: no of days, from date to date, reason. Select email to send request for approval. Add other email ID in email CC field. When all the details is filled, then save the form. Now you and your line manager receive the email. When your line manager is approve your request, then you get the confirmation email. Thank you. How to go to Project Management app. For this, go to FCF India app homepage and click on button for Project Management app. In Project Management app there is below heading: My Projects, Project Assigned by Team, Task Summary, Project Dashboard, Time Summary, Travel History. Please go and check all the heading for more details. For any question or help, please contact FCF India admin team. Thank you. How to add new project in Project Management app. For this, go to Project Management app and click on My Projects. Then click on Add button. Now you can see the project details form. Please try to fill all the details like project name, project category, status of the project, project starting date, VCS or GS or any other ID, client name, officer in charge, project notes if any, Google Drive link. If you want to access this project to other FCF India member, you can add their email ID to M1 to M10. Thank you. How to manage project time in Project Management app. For this, go to My Projects. Select the project. Then there is option Time Records. Click on Add button under Time Records. Project details is already selected. If you want to add in specifics under Task, then select Task ID. Otherwise, select the date. Select the no of hours, then work description and save it. Now you have successfully add the time. Thank you.